Hello, good morning. It's July 26, 2025. Lisa and I just got back from our morning walk. It's about 7:30 in the morning and the heat index is right at 90 degrees already. Just gonna go through here and see what things are up to. Maybe stroll through the garden real quick. So this is our little baby coop. We got a few fellas in here. Let's see if I can run them out. Good morning. Good morning. Y'all going out? Okay, so we can see you. There y'all are. So they're going back in. See if I can. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go out for a minute. I'm gonna actually. Okay. Okay, Zuri. Let the door down. So there we go. No cat. You don't need in there. Okay. Okay, let's see here. The one on the right, I think that's the rooster. His name's Beaker, the white one. Then beside him, the fuzzy is Happy. The black one is Link. The one underneath, the fuzzy one underneath is Lucky. That one, bit bigger one, sitting over there on the water, that's Selfie. That's pretty Selfie. She's like the mama. And then that's Ritz. This black and gold one is Ritz, looking at us here. Hello, Ritz. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And then that white one there, Beaker, behind him is his counterpart, Puddin'. Puddin' won't come out from under the ramp. Puddin', I see you under there. Okay. There's Puddin'. Puddin' just emerged. Puddin's got that cream color in her feathers there. And Selfie coming over to see what all these guys are up to. Okay, I'll let y'all back in. I just wanted everybody to see you. Okay. All right. This little chicken coop here, still gotta do some more work to it, but it needs a nesting box built on the back side there. Let's see if we can walk over here to the others. Whew. A little warm this morning. We got those are the twins, we call them. This is Sika, he's the rooster. He's a mini little bantam Seabright. He is the king of the roost here. And that's there's Samani. That girl down there is Jim. She lays the biggest eggs. And then this is Lacey. That's Lacey. There's Sika again. That's Dot. That's Butter. Right there goes Butter. Jim's looking at me. What's going on, Jim? And what am I missing? And then blue, right there's blue. And then I think I called everybody. That's Dot. All right. Let's some of Lisa's signs. When we get the eggs, got a nesting box there, and then the other nesting box is in the back here. And that's where we pull the eggs. Underneath those tubs there, I dry age the chicken manure. Is what's under this. Oh, yeah. Garden supplies there. This hose here runs to their misting system, which I have along the top. I don't have it on right now. It gets hotter in the day. We'll turn the misting system. Yes, everybody can hear you, Sika. Everybody. Okay, let's go over here to the garden and see what is no longer growing. And Lisa's in here watering. Okay. So, we'll start at the back. Got a few tomatoes back here hanging on. Not much going on. This is mint. These peppers ain't really doing a lot here. Cucumbers are struggling. This one here kind of got overripe. It's still hanging on. This is another overripe one. We actually have one down here on the bottom. Some others starting to pop up. We got super chilies, plenty of those. That watermelon there, seen better days. Got some mucho nacho jalapenos that are in there. Another little melon, another little melon. Some other little smaller peppers that haven't done anything. Got a little melon in here growing. Marigolds along with some green beans that have seen better days. Over here we got okra. I don't know what this is that bolted. That's mint or something. Okra. A watermelon plant that's trying to escape. This is a lemon drop watermelon, which I'm probably going to pull it. They don't get much bigger than this, or they don't get much bigger than this for us anyway. Come on down here. There's another little lemon drop. There's another little watermelon. Green beans. Coming over here, we got some bell peppers. Squash plants, not doing a lot. Flowering still, but we got some sort of strange watermelon growing here. Pretty heavy. Some sort of hybrid or something. I don't even think we planted that, to be honest. Some more peppers. And then over here we have the zucchini bed, which have failed miserably this year. Trying to keep everything watered. There is one there that didn't make it, as well as one there that didn't make it. So that's pretty much it. Got honeybees still doing their thing back here. Right there. Honeybees. Honeybees. I think that's about it. There's some other tomatoes. It's really not doing much. Couple there. Some here. I think that's about it. Later.